he'll cancel out the sound. You won't hear any sound. You have to determine what the song is by watching his pantomime.
Okay.
All right, so put on the headphones. Can you hear us? Nothing? That's just how we want it. Are you ready, David? Music, please.
First I was afraid, I was petrified, thinking I could never live without you by my side. And I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong.